respected viewers, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my new presentation. So yes, today I'm going to be talking about how you can put a picture in a shape. So let's get started. So yeah, first you will go to Photoshop. Loading. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so it's just loading. You can see my mouse cursor is also loading. Okay, so yeah. You can see here, you will just put a picture of you. Okay, so I have put a picture of me here. You can see here is my picture. Okay. Okay, so yeah, wait for one moment. What are these? Okay, so yeah, you can see here. Then you will go in here. Wait. Okay, so then in here, then lips, like then you will just put your favorite shape in here. You can make this big. Okay, so yeah, you can see here. Then you will just take the layer on the like above, like the ellipse or the like what can I say, the oval. No, oh, the circle will be like under the layer or our picture. Then you will just right click in the layer and then click on create clipping tools. Oh wait, okay, so yeah, move tool. So yeah, you can see here, then you can just move like where you want. Okay, so yeah, you can see here. So yeah, like this you can do, or let me just go to file, place link. What can I wait? Let me open a new file. Photo landscape, but that one. Okay. So then I will go in here. Then I no. Okay. So then you can say here. Then you will go in here. Then place link. Oh, sorry. Why I'm going that every time? I will just drag and drop that. Now where is photos? Okay. So yeah, I have dragged and drop it. So yeah, you can see here this. Then if you want to just give another shape, then you have to go in here, the custom shape tool. Then you will go to like window, and go to shapes. Then you will go in here. Then you will just unlock the legacy shapes and more. Or if you want to import a shape, then you can also import a shape from here, but the shape format have to be CSH. So yeah, if PNG or the shape format is CSH, then it can be, or else it can't. So yeah, you can see here, like here is wild animals. Let me see how many wild animals are there. Wait, let me give myself a tiger. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah. Wait, let me just move this. I will just do a fun, okay? This is not really. Okay, I'm just doing a fun. Then you will click on the right click that. Oh, that's looking really much funny. Okay, so yeah, that's all my first presentation. Next time I'm coming up with another new interesting presentation. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.